and today I'm going to be making my magic potion. This is an energizer potion and it has some pretty gross ingredients in it, but it definitely works, promise. Okay, I'm going to start with my flask, and you're going to be actually drawing this in your book or your own version of. So I start with my flask, and goes all the way up to 250 mils. And I'm going to start off with, I think, 50 mils of goblin snot. Very hard to get, a bit expensive. One unhappy goblin. Okay, so I'm measuring this out. We're up to 25, 30, 40, 50, just another little dash. Spot on. So I have measured 50 mils of goblin snot into my flask. Now on top of this, I'm going to add 100 mils of squid ink. Now this is the squid ink from a giant squid. It's a bit watered down, which is why it looks blue. So I'm at 50 mils and I want to add 100 mils. So 50 plus 100 is 150 mils. I hope I've got enough. Let's see. Smells really fishy too. Okay, I'm up to 125 mils, and you can see I'm not going to have enough left because I only have 10 mils of this. So if I started off with 50 mils of goblin snot, and I have now added 50 and 27, so I've ended up with 75 mils of squid ink. So I'm up to about 125 mils at the moment. Now this is my personal favourite. Bat's blood. I'm going to add, I'm just going to put in another 25 mils of bat's blood, and that will take us up to 150 mils. A little bit over actually. These are 2 mil graduations, so I'm actually at 150, 152, 154 mils. And the last ingredient, quite a sweet taste, tiger snake venom. Now I'm just going to put in 100 mils. Sorry, I'm going to put in 50 mils. So I'm at 100, we're just going to call it 150. And I'm going to add another 50 mils. 150 mils plus 50 mils is going to be 200 mils, which is 0.2 of a litre. Okay, it's gone slightly over again. They're 2 mil graduations, remember, so I'm probably at about 202 mils of energizer potion. It's got a funny colour. Doesn't smell so great, but bottoms up.